Welcome back to the channel. Today is a day number 1 of our Advent Magento calendar, where I will share some tips and you will learn something new about Magento 2. So in today's video we're going to talk about simple Magento 2 module or skeleton. And what is this? A simple Magento 2 module skeleton is the minimum set of files and folders required for Magento to recognize module and load it into a system, even if it doesn't do anything yet. It's essentially an empty frame of a module, a structure that registers the module with Magento and defines its basic metadata. So a skeleton module typically includes a vendor directory name, a module name, and it's located in app code directory. Inside the module, there has to be two required files. Registration PHP is a file that tells Magento that module exists, and module.xml file located inside a module's etc directory, and this file defines module information such as module name and, if required and if necessary, module configuration dependencies. We will skip configuration dependencies for now. It's a simple skeleton lesson, so I would talk about additional dependencies later in the Advent calendar. And finally, a third optional file is composer.json, and this file helps Magento's autoloader to load and manage dependencies of a module. So let's say you would like to move from app code and install this Magento 2 extension through vendor directory. With the help of composer.json, it will help to do so. So by running composer require and name of the module, like this, for example, you could install your module in the vendor directory. Once these files are created for a module can be registered in the Magento system, and it can say, hey, I'm module, I'm available, and inside this module we can start building our custom functionality. So a simple module in Magento 2 skeleton is the minimum set of files that tells Magento that I exist, I'm a module, and it doesn't add features yet, but it creates a foundation where all future functionality will live. Let me know in the comments below what parts of the Magento questions or architecture it's not clear. I will be happy to create a follow-up video, and I will see you in tomorrow's Advent Calendar Day 2 video. Bye.